Back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see recently watched reels on Instagram without like. So to do that, let's head over to the Instagram application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the reels section. And suppose I have watched this reels and then tap on the profile icon on the lower right corner and then tap on the three lines on the top right. Now go to your activity section. Now go to likes. So if you have liked the reel, you can see it in here. So as we didn't like it, but it's already in here. So yeah, this is how it goes.
That's like
Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.